Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop here at Flat 6 Motorsports. My name's Ivan, and today we're going to show you how to install wheel spacers on your Taycan. Let's get into it. So before we put the vehicle up on the lift, or before you jack it on the ground, we're gonna have to deactivate the air suspension system. And there's a couple ways of doing that, but we're gonna go through the vehicle menu here on the home screen. So go ahead and select vehicle. And then over on the right-hand side, you have 3 dots. Go ahead and select that. And at the bottom, you have vehicle settings. And then you wanna kind of scroll down a little ways to additional chassis settings. And right here you have activate and deactivate jack mode. You have a little check mark to show that it turns on. And once you do that, then you'll be able to lift up the vehicle. All right, so we have the suspension deactivated, we have her up on the lift, now we're ready to pull the wheel off. So what you need to do, break out your 19mm socket and your tool of choice. I'm gonna use this electric impact here. And we're gonna go ahead and start taking this wheel off. Make sure you have your wheel lock key if you have them. And once we get the first bolt out, we're gonna use our wheel guide bolt that is included with the kit. We're just going ahead and thread that in, and what that's going to do is that's going to support the wheel once you get all the bolts out of the way. It keeps the wheel from falling off the vehicle, and it'll help you slide out and clear those brake rotors. So let's go ahead and get started. So now that we have the wheel off, first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and clean the mating surfaces of the wheel to the brake rotor here. We can use a wire brush, scuff pad, brillo pad, anything of that nature. You want to just kind of clean these mating surfaces just like so. And that'll kind of keep the wheel spacer sitting flush. So that way we don't have any vibration issues down the road. So once those surface areas are kind of cleaned off, go ahead and we can just slide the wheel spacer right over the hub just like so. It's a nice tight fit, so make sure she's all the way on there. There we go. All right, nice and snug. All right, and that's pretty much it. Now you're ready to put the wheel back on. All right, so now that we got the new bolts all installed on the vehicle, once you finish on all 4 corners, we're gonna go ahead and lower it down, put the majority of the weight back onto the wheels, but not fully lower it. And then we're gonna use our torque wrench to torque everything down to 160 Newton meters or 118 foot-pounds, whichever scale you're using. So we'll go ahead and get that done. And there you have it, a pretty simple install that makes a world difference on your Taycan, especially if you do lower it in the future. That's fantastic. If you want to get a set of wheel spacers for yourself, check us out, flat6.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.